Peshawar woke up to tragedy this morning as a rocket attack claimed the lives of 4 children who were all siblings. 3 of the 4 children, who were all Hafiz-e-Quran, were killed while they slept in a room with their parents. NWFP Senior Minister Bashir Ahmed Bilor blames militants, and the police backed the story, saying the target was a nearby police station.
दहशतगर्दी का वाकया है और ये मिसाइल ने इस इलाके को हिट किया हुआ है क्योंकि पुलिस स्टेशन के साथ नज़दीकी वाकया है.
And among the residents, there is the fear that the militants may target the police station once again.
इलाके में खौफ और सारी जो है कि इधर ताना नज़दीक है, हमारे साथ लोग बूढ़े भी बोलते और जवान भी बोलते कि इधर हमारे इलाके में ताना है और इसकी वजह से हमें दिलों में बहुत खौफ है कि और ना इधर कोई इस तरह बम ब्लास्टिंग और नहीं हो जाए.
After military operations in the tribal areas, militants are on the run. But for the people of Peshawar, this latest attack is a reminder of the great threat they face. It appears that the militants have changed their strategy. Attacking houses in such a way is creating fear among the local population. The government needs to ensure security to the residents before it is too late. Mumtaz Bangash, Dawn News, Peshawar.